Okay, so here you're going to write the final number pair as an ordered pair and graph it. So we have 3/6, 6/12, 9/18, and 12/24. So if we look at our chart on page 415, our final ordered pair is 18/36. So we're going to go ahead and graph all of these. Is what you should have done. So 3/6, 6/12, 9/18, 12/24, and then since it was kind of like a little lull in between, it's going to be a lot higher up. Oops, 8/36. So that is what we're going to do for that. And then just showing these numbers. This was 3/6, this was 6/12, this was 9/18, this was 12/24, and this was 18/36. Okay, so that's step one for how to graph those numbers. Okay, the next step. Okay, so now you're going to, after you graph it, we did step one. So now we're going to do step two. We're going to start at the origin. So remember, the origin is at 0, 0. So we want to think, why do we start at the origin? Why are we starting at 0, 0? Well, we start at 0, 0 because we have 0 tablespoons of cocoa and 0 fluid ounces of water when we start. Okay, then we're going to step 3 is we're going to connect the points with straight line segments. So that means I'm going to connect the point from here to here. I'm going to connect the point from here to here, from here to here, here to here, and here to here. Okay, your question right now is, you're going to think, what do the connected points form? So when you're looking at this, what is that? And why? Why does it make this thing? That's your question on the next slide.